This is integrated 3. It's problem number 8-14. It says, what is the measure of angle CPM in the diagram at right? List any subproblems that were necessary to solve this problem. And I see we have some parallel lines here, and these angle measures are labeled, and here is angle CPM that we're looking for. So I rewrote it on another paper. And then I went through and I started writing down subproblems. So the first subproblem that I noticed was this one right here, 4x minus 3y is 65. And I got that because I noticed that I have parallel lines. And if you have parallel lines, then you're going to have alternate interior angles equal to each other. So I know that this angle P and angle B are equal, but also angle C and angle A are equal. So I wrote that down. 4x minus 3y is equal to 65. I thought that was a nice one to write down. And the other one that I noticed right away was these two angles are vertical angles. So I wrote that down. I wrote it right here. 2x plus 3y is equal to, you probably can't read this very well, 3x minus y. Okay, so these are the two main pieces of information that I grabbed, that I latched onto. And I know that if I can solve for x and y, I can find the measure of that angle, because I know that this angle plus this angle plus this angle add up to 180, because this is a triangle. And same thing for here, because these angles are equal. I could say this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180. Either way. So I'm just solving this system of equations. So what I did over here is I went ahead and I fixed this one up, like I simplified it by subtracting 2x on both sides and adding y to both sides. And I got this nice little gem. And so now I know that 4y is equal to x, and I can plug that in right here. And that's what I did. So I wrote 4x minus 3y equals 65, but instead of x, I wrote a 4y in there, and I distributed. And then I ended up with 16y minus 3y, that was 13y. And then I solved, and I found out that y was 5. And if y is 5, then I guess I can find x. Maybe I can, oh, well, 4 times y is x. So 4 times 5, so x is 20. So that was easier than I thought. X is 20. And so now I know that, and I think it's easier to actually solve for this angle since I know these two angles are equal. I'm just going to plug x and y in here. I'm going to say like 3 times x, what's x? 20. Minus y was 5, plus 65, plus angle B equals 180. And I'm getting that because I just know that the three corners, the three vertices of the triangle are going to add up to 180. So, and I just named it B for angle B. So 3 times 20, that's 60. So that's 55. What's 55 plus 65? That's 120. I realize that there are a billion other ways to do this problem. But I get that this angle is 60, and if this angle is 60, then this angle is also 60. So I'm going to say angle CPM is 60 degrees.